Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You, and I know many of you have queries regarding TCS 2026 hiring, 2027 hiring, off campus, on campus, and TCS has also changed the pattern recently, so how it is going to impact right in your 2027 exams or 2026 exams, if it will happen. All those things we are going to discuss in this particular video. Okay, so where is the change, right? What is the change? The complete information we will be giving you in this particular video. I request all of you to please do watch the video till the end. Also friends, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. The reason I am telling you, because friends, during the TCS exam, okay, or any exam, okay, so we basically will have live classes, and we were doing the live classes daily, right? So during the TCS examination, and topic wise, okay, mock test, everything we had done. And friends, that is a reason, right? If you go to our post section, you will see lot of students selected. So this is basically record breaking selections we have given in 2026, right? So placed in digital for 7 LPA, right? So our main target will be prime. Okay, see here, Ritesh Biswas selected in TCS Prime. So like this, a lot of candidates are there who got selected in TCS Digital and Prime. Anyway, let us come back and try to understand here. So for 2027 batch, on campus and off campus, both hirings will be still there. Okay, so if you are from 2027 batch, then so you will have two opportunities. One will be your on campus, right, and another one will be your off campus, right? Okay, now let me tell you friends, so on campus will be generally, priority college, like the top college you can say. So for the priority college, on campus will be there. And if we'll talk about off campus, then off campus for all colleges, and this happens generally in March. So you can only expect next year are 2027 February and March. And if we'll talk about on campus, then on campus generally will start from July, right? So friends, it goes till July to November. Okay, so there is no particular month, fixed month. So college by college they do. So you have to basically get a stick to your college TPO, and they will be giving you the information. Okay, now then comes 2026 batch. So friends, let me tell you one thing. So 2026 batch, right? So also we'll have on campus and off campus, right? Okay, so as you are aware, on campus and off campus both are done. Okay, both are done. Now, so this is a very important point to understand. So this time when TCS hired in 2026, okay, they allowed 2024 batch, 2025 batch and 2026 batch. So next year when this off campus will be happening for 2027 batch, they might allow 2025, 2026 and 2027 batch, right? Okay, but this we will be getting the clarity only during the notification. Right now I cannot say you like 100% this will happen, because this they started from this year only, 2026. So there is a very great chance that 2026 will be again getting the off campus hiring in 2027 Feb March, 2027 Feb March. That is a timeline which I have told you. Okay, and the cooling period will be 3 to 6 months, so everyone will be able to apply. Again, it will be almost an year, right? So after an year you will be definitely able to apply. Maximum cooling period will be 6 months. Okay, now new exam pattern changes for 2026 or 2027. So if the exams are going to happen for 2026 and 2027, for both of them the changes will be there. Okay, and friends, the changes is only there for the verbal ability, so you do not have to, so if you'll see the thumbnail, pattern changed. Are bhai, only verbal ability pattern change is not a complete pattern change. You cannot say that complete. See, generally verbal ability, the cutoff will be also low. People struggle with numerical ability, right? People struggle with coding, advanced aptitude and reasoning, right? Okay, so only verbal ability there is a change. So the time is 26 minutes, the questions remain same. Okay, so TCS hires for your ninja role, digital role and prime role. Okay, so TCS hires for ninja role 3.3 LPA, digital 7 LPA and prime 9 LPA. PG 3.5, okay, and digital 7.3 and prime 11.5 will be. Okay, now so this is the pattern right now, the current pattern, where numerical ability 20 question 25 minutes, logical reasoning 20 question 25 minutes, verbal ability 25 question 25 minutes, advanced aptitude reasoning 14 question 25 minutes, advanced coding 2 questions 90 minutes. Total 81 questions will be there for 190 minutes. Now so you see, so where is the difference? So numerical ability 20 question 25 minutes, bhaiya, there is, it is same like earlier. Okay, here the level will be little difficult, numerical ability. So that's the reason you have to prepare from now itself. Reasoning ability, okay, 20 question 25 minutes, advanced aptitude plus reasoning 14 question 25 minutes. Verbal ability, now we will be having 25 questions for 26 minutes. So time wise 1 minute has increased, but there is some other changes we will learn. Advanced coding easy will be 1 question 35 minutes, and advanced medium coding 1 question 55 minutes. So if you don't do any coding question, if you don't do this out of 2, right, if you don't do this out of 2, then you will be getting ninja roll, okay. And if you do this as well, okay, so 1 coding question, that means you will be getting digital role. Basically they will call you for digital interview, and if you do this advanced, then they will call you for prime. But it is not exactly like this, because 7 test cases will be there. So it's not like you have to do all the 14 questions for prime role. Even if you do 10 to 12 questions, you will be called for prime role. Okay, now so friends, if you'll see the current pattern: synonyms, antonyms, error detection, reading comprehensions, fill in the blanks, sentence rearrangement, grammar based questions, direct interactive speech. Now so you will have only 3 things now: sentence completion, okay, and then okay, so you will be having sentence completion, email writing, and passage recall. So there are now these are the 3 things which is going to get added, right? Sentence completion, email writing, and passage recall. Okay, so one by one I will also tell you what is that sentence completion and all those things. But friends, before that, I just wanted to tell you, so online study for you has always created history, and it will be keep creating. So you can see TCS selected students. So we have multiple groups: group 3 900 members, okay, group 1 976 members, group 2 1000 members. So here only you can see around 3000 members, right? TCS selected students from online study for you in all the forms, right? Okay, I know friends, see, once you start growing, right, then what will happen? People will like you see Khan sir, right? So today Khan sir is in such a position that nobody can easily reach there. Okay, now what people did, so they started all this kind of things, and you see like now he is in trouble. So whenever you will try to grow, there'll be people who will try to pull your legs. So here we have given selections, we are giving selections, there is no doubt at all. So any video you take, any video which I post, you take and just go there and see. So at least one student would have commented that, sir, I got selected in TCS because of your videos. Okay, I don't want to talk more, but the fact is fact, right? So even the group is also active, right? So here you can see TCS 2 selected students, right? So all the groups are active, people are talking, people are so even if you'll go and see on Geeks for Geeks or Koira, I mean not sure, this was I think on Koira. Okay, so sorry, they have told Geeks for Geeks online study for you, right? So this is from the Koira, I guess. Okay, and everywhere, like you can see, this is on Reddit, right? So online study for you YouTube channel will be everywhere, it is there, right? So that selections will be definitely there. If you just follow online study for you, there is no doubt at all, right? And that's the reason we are always putting a lot of effort for you guys. And the only way, right, I'm not telling the only way, but the way to guaranteed placement will be definitely TCS NQT crash course if you really put effort. Okay, so it's not like if you take the course you will get selected. No. So friend, just 1500 rupees, and the course is started basically from today. So from today itself the course is started. It's not like 2 months back. Now we have started with the fresh batch, because availability there is a changes, and that also we are going to cover. See, I know see how these things makes differences, right? See, we prepared DSA white book part 1 and part 2 with all easy medium level of questions, and now the main challenging things which we are going to do. So we had Infosys DSC, right, and SP courses. So that all coding questions I am going to bring it here. So coding will not come out from this course. Okay, so you just have to prepare for numerical ability, and numerical ability, reasoning ability, bhaiya, you don't have to even think of. okay? Because you just go on YouTube, okay, and watch any of my video, and you'll understand that numerical ability. If you watch free video itself on YouTube channel, you will get placed, okay? But if somebody really wants to get all the concepts, then you'll have to go for the courses, right? So only 1500 rupees. I know, you see, you have spent so much in college. Just trust us and spend another 1500 rupees, and then you will see the result, okay? Mock test, everything is there, okay? And again, so now every week we are going to update 2 mock tests for you, so actual mock test. So now, because it has started and it's the time, if you think like last 15 days and 20 days you will be able to crack TCS, that will not happen, okay? So don't regret later, get it right now, okay? For 2026 2027 batch, it will be very, very helpful. Let's come back, okay? Now, so what is a pattern? So now if you will see, so what they are telling, chalo bhai thoda piche chalo, okay, yeah. So now this is the thing. So basically in verbal ability, you will be having sentence completion, 20 questions will be there, and for one question 25 seconds. Instructions will be there for 25 seconds. Instructions will flash in front of you. Then passage recall 4 plus 4, so 120 seconds, 30 seconds to read and 90 seconds to write. The text will not be displayed after 30 seconds of reading. Instructions 15 seconds, and email writing 540 seconds. 540 seconds means almost 9 minutes, okay? Now, so let us see the instructions. So instructions for the sentence completion: please type one word. So you have to type only one word that best fit the meaning of the sentence. Type only one word. You will have 25 seconds for each sentence, okay? 25 seconds are, I think, enough, okay? Instructions for the passage recall: so you will have 30 seconds to read a paragraph. After 30 seconds, the paragraph will disappear from the screen, okay? Then you will have 90 seconds to reconstruct the paragraph, so that you understood the passage by rewriting it in your own words, okay? So so earlier, like, there was mostly MCQs, but now you will be having along with MCQs, so 20 questions will be there from here, and then passage you can see 4 plus 4, okay? And so this is 20 plus 4, 24, 20, okay? So basically 24, 25, okay? 25 questions only. I think this is 4 only. And then instructions for email writing. So your answer will be scored for clear and accurate content. Note word for word memorization. After 90 seconds, your work will be saved automatically. Instructions for the email writing: read a description of a situation and write an email addressing the issue described in the situation. You will have 9 minutes. You must write at least 100 words. So you'll be able to see how much time is left and how many words you have written right in the complete sentence. Now let us take some example, okay, and then see, okay? So here options will not be there, so you will have to write, and maybe for one this fill in the blanks, you might think of 2 options, right? So obviously the best one will be taken, or they will have some kind of AI evaluation tool, so with that they will evaluate. The company decided to here we can put delay the project. So only one word we have to put. So the company decided to delay the project due to the budget constraint, okay? So don't put like 2 words. They have clearly told only 1 words, and for one question 25 seconds is more than enough. After a month of preparation, he finally passed the examination. Right? Okay. The manager was very with the team's performance and praised everyone for their hard work. Now this one you have to put in the comment section. I know there'll be many things which you are going to put, so there won't be only one answer. So let's see how many you put and what are the different answers, okay? Now if we'll talk about paragraph, so paragraph shown for 30 seconds. So many companies, so this will be reflecting for 30 seconds, right? Here you see. So many companies many companies now allow employees to work remotely. This approach helps reduce commuting time, improves work-life balance, and can increase productivity. However, organization must use effective communication tools to ensure teamwork and collaboration remains strong, okay? So friends, after you read this, right, so what you have to understand, so if you work remotely, so try to understand what is there in the paragraph. So if you work remotely, what all things will happen? So you can save the commuting time, you can improve work-life balance, right? Productivity will be more, right? But the organization will have to use effective communication tools to ensure teamwork and collaboration remains strong. Because when you are in office, when you are working together, so definitely the teamwork and the collaboration face to face, right? You'll have tea, all those things, you will be doing it, right? But definitely remotely, that things will not happen. Okay, now candidates response written in 90 seconds. So here you can write, so remote work has become common in many organizations. It saves employees travel time and helps them maintain a better balance between their professional and personal lives. It may also improve productivity. To make remote work successful, companies need good communication systems so that employees can collaborate effectively. So what you did, so you went through this and then you explained it here. Okay, these things I can only teach you, right? So don't worry about it. Okay, but definitely, so this level will start becoming little tricky. It will not be that easy. Okay, then email writing. So friends, email writing, so generally the email writing will be based on your inside the company. Like suppose you had a deadline to finish the work, you did not finish the work on time, so now you want to write an email to the higher managements. So how are you going to write? Okay, so here I'm just giving one example that kind of email writing might come. So they will give you a situation. So you ordered a laptop from an online store, the delivery was promised within 5 days, but even after 10 days you have not received the product. Write an email to customer support requesting an update and resolution. So subject, so what you will do, so this is your situation. Now you will write subject, delay in laptop delivery, dear customer support team, I'm writing to inform you that I have not yet received the laptop. So within 100 words, so minimum 100 words. Okay, the laptop I ordered from your website according to the, so it might be Flipkart, Amazon, right? So to the order details, the product was expected to be delivered within 5 days, however it has been now 10 days since I placed the order. So here grammar will also come in picture, so you cannot write whatever you want. Okay, so grammatically it should look correct. I would appreciate if you could provide an update on the current status of my shipment and let me know the expected delivery date. If there are any issues causing the delay, please inform me and suggest a suitable resolution. I look forward to your prompt response. Thank you for your assistance. Okay, regards, Pratik Kumar. So like this you have to write. Okay, now so friends, that's what. So we are going to now we already started the classes from today, right? And we are definitely going to give you all those things which is required. And this year at any cost, TCS, we have to get a job. Okay, like in 2026 we did, and in 2027 also we will do. We'll be keep doing it. Okay, so remember, selection means online study for you, that we are doing it from the log time, and we will be keep doing it. Thank you, take care, all the very best. Let us meet in the next video. So next video will be definitely so how to clear TCS and QT. So please keep your love and support. That's all I wanted from you. Thank you.